Morning, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, good day. How do you feel? How's your time? 28th of May, 2026. Having some red folder news coming out. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you on board. Happy to have you out here. Continuing our trading journey, just like we've continued yesterday, trying to finalize somehow. Down 37 grand in the first red day of May for this account. The big belly accounts that are right there. Good evening, good day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. PCE comes out in preliminary GDP in about 2 minutes. So we're going to get started and trade. In the meantime, I'd like to share with you. I like to share the presentation pretty much everywhere in all the trading groups as usually. Make sure you guys do the same thing. Make sure you guys want to do the same thing. We're live. Trading our exactly Badger. And you certainly know that. And the reality confirms it, Badger. We have no red days as soon as Badger shows up. Look at that one. The only day Badger was not here, calling in sick, 27th of May. There you go. And you guys know who to blame right now. We're going to trade the top 1 futures, FundedSeat, Lucid, YRM, basically all the prop firms that we're dealing with, including Savius. We're going to trade on 5 prop firms today, as usually. Well, they were just having fun. They were just having fun, smiling. But you know it happens. The good part is, we have days here. I mean, this is just a single day of last week, right? Pretty much single day of last week. I think we had a 36 grand loss in April as well. Yeah, 36 on April in a single day. And then 37 on May. But the very interesting part is how the other account, let me show you guys how the other account is in profit for yesterday, because we have 2 big belly accounts and you know that. I like to share with you how the other account is in profit. We got news coming out in a few seconds, guys. Let's see how we can trade this. Let me turn on my copy trader for the 50k accounts here. Oh yeah, look at that. Little pump here. Little pump. Market is trading below weekly VWAP, sitting on 997. 0.2% PCE coming out lower than expected, guys. Speaking about the change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. Coming out lower than expected, along with a preliminary GDP, annualized change in the value of goods and services produced by the economy, lower than expected. I don't think that is going to be heavily enjoyed by the price action. Oh yeah. I don't think that, especially on the New York session. Not a worry, certainly not a worry, guys. Good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Like the video, guys. We must hit our target minimum 180 likes. I'm going to test out a short here of 3 minis. This is an evaluation. We have 1,600 profit. We got to do 3,000 bucks. And then we're converting the account into funded. as usually. Thank you so much. Bring the price action back to the starting point. Come on. That's what I'm trading here, guys. Take profit all the way here. Bring the price action back all the way to starting point. Let's go. Oh. Probably should be out. I'm out here. Look at that pump, guys. Unexpected. Unexpected. Totally unexpected movement here. 25, 30 points pumping. Totally unexpected candle. Gotta make a step back. Gotta make a step back. We might want to go for that supply on 996, 997, guys. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you so much. Trading as usually. YRM, top one. Lucid, FundedSeat. We got a ton. This is kind of the place. 997. I don't even know if we touched that. Yes. Poe. Hope you're feeling better. Hope you're starting to feel better, Badger. Hope you see signs of recovery, slowly but surely. Takes a couple of days, you know that. 3 to 4 days and you're back on track, running big profits. Oh, let me show you some... So like I told you guys, the other big account is not having a red P&L yesterday. We survived. We made 1,380 on Lucid on the other big account. So it's kind of weird, right? If you're not copy trading, which is something I've not been doing on my Lucid accounts, in one of the accounts you have minus 37 grand, and the other one is 1,380 in profit. Look at that. But then watch this day, guys. There's no pair and equal performance to that. 51,000 in a single day, 19th of May. And then 41,000 on 7th. 92 grand in 2 days. With a 25,000 on the 18th. That is absolutely juice. So 10 minis is the real deal. I'm going to test out a short. Oh yeah. I'll be testing out a short here on 4 minis. Hoping to see that rejection on the scandal, guys. Could be a temporary top here. Could be. We're also going to trade our tap on futures account of, but we have a ton of accounts here for FundedSeat. Look at that. I've accumulated and I've prepared. I'm not really enjoying this, guys. There's not much drawdown on the 50,000 accounts, and I'm not used to that. I'll put my stop loss right above the wick. And I'm testing out a short on my Trade of 8 accounts here for the tap on futures. I'm not really used to this 50k accounts. I'm not going to trade them that much. Nah. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is just crazy. What a reaction. What a reaction. Zero pressure from the bears around 30,000. What are they up to, guys? We've been bearish today so far. Gotta pull up my quant tower with Lucid. Maybe they're gonna put me on live. I got no idea about it. But I like the sim environment. I like it a lot. I don't want to go live. I like the structure of sim environment. Trust me. It's comfortable. Yeah. I'm gonna cut it here. Oh my gosh. Retesting. Oh, like, that's just crazy. We just can't get the shorts working. We just can't get the shorts working anymore. Look at that, guys. Can you believe that? Yeah. Yeah. We got stopped out. We got stopped out on smaller accounts. We got stopped out on the smaller accounts. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it, guys. Welcome. Not a good day so far, I can tell you that. Not a good day so far. This is our 5th Lucid Flex account that we're getting ready for payout. We just have to make another 1,500. Not gonna rush, guys. Not gonna rush. Not gonna rush. We are sitting in a comfortable position, so no need to do anything like that. This is the Lucid account that we're talking about. Look at that. This is going to be the 5th funded ready for payout, which will be 15 grand from Lucid. Ha 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 ha. Certainly. Gotta set up a new round of copy traders. For FundedSeat, I'm gonna have 3 accounts copy traded on FundedSeat. Off 150,000. Testing out a short here, guys. 3-minute short. Look at that. Yes. We have decent stats. We got decent stats. Hopefully it's gonna get better. I just won my 15 grand payout from here. We need an extra 1,500 to secure $15,000 payout from Lucid Flex, guys. The big accounts. This is the last account we have to take to 156. The last one and nothing else. What a price section. What a price section. Look at that. None of these levels gave us any reaction, guys. Can you believe that? Zero. Daily VWAP, weekly VWAP, 200 EMA. Nothing. Previous supply level, nothing. Nothing. From yesterday's low, we've just bouncing 877 all the way to what? All the way to 25. Didn't improve yet. Did not improve yet, thank you. They've been working on it. They've been working on it to improve it. I saw yesterday running some bigger payouts. So they were paying people out daily and working on it. I am not enjoying this thing, guys. I'm not enjoying this thing. Extremely tricky. We might just be onto a stronger move that I'm not smelling yet, guys. I can't really measure what's happening for the moment. We have a 15-minute algo line right now, which is what I'm looking forward. Look at that. This is a algo line that did give us a pretty good reaction the last time we touched it yesterday on the 15 minute. But you see, the bears are missing from the table, and this is not an easy moment to adjust the trading firm. Make sure to like the video, everyone. 180 likes must be collected before we start our giveaways. That's the target. I'll have to get out. At some point. But like I told you, this is a very interesting level here, this 15-minute candle. Although the previous closing of the 15-minute was extremely strong for the upside. Extremely strong. I wouldn't mind a revisit into 30,000 right now. I wouldn't mind that. Doing something like this. And then probably bouncing here. If we're successfully converting this level, which is basically a level of the weekly VWAP, sitting on 30,000. Nah, but you got the buying pressure stepping in. Look at that, guys. Hitting me hard. Oh, yeah. Gotta get out of this soon. What a silly reaction. This is very close to max loss. I'll have to put a stop loss there. Yeah. We touch it. We touch it. Non-stop pump, guys. Non-stop pump. Cost me big time. 0. Non-stop pump for the 5-minute approach. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. Nothing reacted. Not even 10, 15 points. I couldn't even go break even today. I couldn't even go break even today on anything. We have basically $250 away on this account, on the 5th Lucid. We have another one very, very close to make it funded, so we would basically restart for the 5th. But this was very close, guys. $1,500 away from confirming that pound. If I would long this, it's gonna dump 50 points on me. This is just so silly. This is just so silly. Could be testing a single contract short here. Nah, nothing works. We're basically $150 away. We're gonna make the next one funded. Look at that. There you go. Very close to make it. Very, very close. Not an issue. We have an account here. Let me see that. Which one is it? We have an account that needs 20 bucks. Funded. Sorry, evaluation. Evaluation, 150,000 flex. This one. Look at that, guys. 20 bucks remaining. This is the balance. This is the target. This is how we traded on the 14th and 15th. Haven't traded since that. This is an evaluation of 150,000 flex that we only got to do 20 bucks, and we converted into funded. So then we resume our activity towards having 5 accounts ready for the payout. Might just take the payment from, if I lose this one, not in this form with the 20 bucks, but in the funded form, if I lose this one, then we're not going to wait for another account, because I no longer have evaluations close to, I don't even have any other evaluation of flex. This is the last flex evaluation. If I lose this one, we're going to take the payout on 4 accounts. We're going to take 12 grand. So let's trade this one today. We need, here's the account. We need 20 bucks, right? $20. This is some nuts price action, I can tell you. Ho 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 ho. Yeah, 20 bucks. Testing out a little long here. A little long. Come on, 20 bucks. There you go, 36 bucks profit. Time to convert this one into funded. Time to convert. Make it funded. Come on, Lucid, allow me. Allow me quickly to have this one funded. I want to trade for my... removing the breached one. As soon as Lucid updates, we're gonna be fine. In the meantime, for the big belly accounts, I might test out a short, guys. for the big belly accounts. Yeah. The green trading is not happening that much today. The rhythmic session expired because an account is unassigned by the administrator. Lucid trading is connection is lost. This is what happens when you are converting an account. Oh, I like that. I actually deleted my breached account and aiming towards converting the 5th funded. Unbelievable the way we moved here. All the way from 877. Nothing stopped us. More than 20-25 points. Nothing. I'm gonna grab my first FundedSeat funded accounts. FundedSeat is running with no consistency on target. No consistency on the funded stage and target if you go with the one-step flex. Or if you go basically with a one-step daily, you have no consistency on daily payouts on the funded stage. The flex and the daily are the best challenges there. It is going down indeed. It is going down. Down the river, come on. What an incredible price action, surprisingly strong after the PCE came out, lower than expected. Thank you, Jake. Have a good one. Have the best of your day. Flat opening right here, guys. Flat opening in the price action. Flat opening. Oh, yeah. We have some supply here, which is what I'd like to short. It's a very interesting bouncing from the yesterday's low. What a move, guys. You guys see that wick we just made? A bit of a short opening out here. What a wick, guys. More than 20 points. Look at that. We got some nice liquidity up there. That could have been one of the main reasons the price action is doing this. Liquidity popped up. We got the shorts open on the big belly accounts. Let's see, can we convert that Lucid account? Can I convert it? Yes, upgrade to funded. Here's the agreement, guys. Lucid Flex account agreement. Upgrade to funded. Oh, yeah. Let's have the 5th account ready. And see if we can take this one for the payout. They're gonna knock me out again. They're gonna disconnect me again for sure from my quant tower. I'm gonna be out here for the moment. 219 bucks made on this top one, not much. Yeah, they just disconnected me once again. Yes. Indeed. Today's high 136. We didn't touch that. And the London high was 30 grand on the weekly VWAP. I still have my shorts open pretty much everywhere. Let me touch some of my shorts here on the YRM as well. This account is a very, very good condition. Oh. Lovely. Come on. Bring it down, big boys. Come on. Lovely 1,000. Just a little lower. Let me open up my Lucid. I like it. Oh yeah. Stop loss break even here. And I'm trading for the YRM trade. Touch the break even. On both sides, this one made me 310 bucks for the YRM. And I'm putting, oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm putting stop loss break even, guys, on my Lucid Big Belly accounts. Good job. Yes. I like this candle, guys. There is so much potential here if we are just gonna bleed all the way to the opening. Bleeding to the opening with that liquidity we grabbed. That wick remaining around. Starting with the 80s all the way to 100s. 20 points of wick. I'll have to keep this short open here. Yeah, they have to be the lead ones. Yes. It's rarely such a rule. Rarely. We got some nice profits here. We're going to close this trade $522. I like that, guys. On the FundedSeat. Nothing is happening for YRM. Nothing is happening for my tap one. But there's some nice business going around here on the big belly accounts. That's a very interesting supply we just touched on the 15 minutes. Have a look into that. They got some mechanisms. They got some mechanisms to verify these things. Thank you, by the way, for watching. Appreciate it, guys. We must hit minimum 180 likes. Make sure you touch the like button. We're still holding on these shorts. Like I told you, we might be onto something bleeding into the opening. We might be on that bleeding for the opening. I'm happy to be part of it. I'm happy to make that 35 grand back today. The 5-minute closing we had is lovely, guys. It's juicy. If we don't pump in this candle all the way above 75, then I'm gonna sit comfortably here all the way down to 30,000. So there's another 40 points for me. There's another 40 points for me here. Pretty good reading of that possibility of bleeding. Oh yeah. We better take profit on the 30,000. Take profit is set up for the 30,000, guys. Now we just have to wait. That's the only job we have. Remember, guys, this is the Lucid Flex. Lucid is the best prop firm by far in 2026. Flex accounts, no consistency in target. Come on. You know, I've been trading yesterday, longing the price action, and we got that long bleeding at the starting of my live stream. Today was exactly the opposite. We had the silly pump, and I was shorting a little, and now we might have the reverse of that. Yet I'm gonna sit in my shorts. We got 40 points between my stop loss. 40. There should be a lot of the space there for reshorting this. 8,000 in profit. Oh, look at that. That's good to hear, NPC. We lost 36,000. On one of the accounts we lost 36, on the other we made 1,000, so profit. Yes. First red day for that account of the month. The other one is not having any red day. I mean, the advantage of not doing copy trading. So one of the accounts is having a positive P&L for yesterday, and the other one is 37 grand down. Blowing the account from 511, losing 37, blowing. How do you expect that? We have a 350. Look at that. Here's the account with a minus. How do you expect to lose the account? Look at that. Account balance at the starting time of the day and the minimal balance. This is the minimum balance when you blow it. This is how much money we still have as buffer. We got a lovely short, guys. We just opened a lovely short here, having another 500 bucks. We also opened a short on my trade of 8, having $700, riding the movement downwards. Not gonna do the mistake we did yesterday, relonging this thing. Yes, a 150 account. Yes. A 150 account with 4,500 bucks drawdown. So from $4,500 drawdown, you end up on 300k. This is not a good thing, what I'm seeing here. I'm out from this. This is not a good thing as well. And I'm going to be out of this one too, guys. I don't like that candle. So I'm going to trail right above it. I'm going to trail right above. There you go, 5,400 profit. 5,400. That's pretty good. Pretty good. We're gonna celebrate a little. People enjoy fireworks. To get payouts, positive profits, each request. Yes, minimum 5 days of 250 bucks if you're trading the 150,000. And if you're trading the 50 grand, then minimum 5 days of $150. Yes, we made more than 300k. Right, there is 5 minimum days between the payouts that you must have in profit with the minimum profit per day. So it's very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. This is the brand new funded that we can only do 4 minis, but that's kind of sufficient, right? Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to join our Discord community. That's the place. A lot of the traders scatter and help each other. Good morning, good day. I'm testing out another short here. I'll do the same thing on my Trade-O-Vate account. And I'm doing the same thing on my fresh Lucid funded. Oh, there you go. We have two big accounts like that. The other one is, the other two is having the 6,000 profit needed for max payout. Did not made more than that. And I'm focusing right now on the fifth. So I can take max payout in a single cycle from all the 5 accounts. But as you can see, I'm not having an easy time around this price action. Not having an easy time at all. So if we lose this funded on Lucid, we're going to take the payout from 4 accounts, guys. We're not going to wait for the 5th. There is a risk right there for the longs, certainly. The price action did not look bad for the longs. It didn't. But there's certain times that I'm trading against what I see. I'm using 2 screens. I don't like to go with more. If this is going ugly, I'm gonna cut it. We gotta be tight on the risk management here for this fresh funded account. Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We've got the giveaway today. Remember, we actually have giveaways daily. Make sure you sign up. You can participate for free. We do share 4 different accounts, $150,000 consisting in prop firm accounts every single day from 4 different prop firms. I like that. I like that denial of 1 minute there. Big Bear Carlos, just be careful. Just be careful. Because you got a lovely name with the bear. And we got a lovely short. Look at that. 2,000 bucks here profit. We got 10 minutes short on this account. And I'd like to get out here. We have some nice profits on this side too. But this is kind of the place I'd like to make more. Come on. I'm a momentum trader putting on a price action. Scalper. Price action and technicals. Meaningful levels plus price action. Smelling the entries between the candles. And I'm smelling the momentum on a pretty high sizing. Yeah, 30,000. I'm, you know, out of the trade way earlier than touching 30,000. I don't need that. I don't need that. We're heavily sized. Look at that. I'm putting the trade in here. 2,400 bucks touch profit here. That's beautiful, guys. I'm gonna get... Yeah, I'm gonna partially... I sold 2 contracts from my Trade-O-Vate too. And on this side... On this side of the picture... We gotta go stop loss break even. And probably leave it for a runner here. This is the first day of this funded account. And I wouldn't mind making $2,000-3,000, I can tell you. I wouldn't mind. Oops. Bulls are there, they heard me. We just escaped that by a single point, right? Did we? 44.50 by a single tick. By a single tick, guys. 44.50, and we're having the stop loss trailing on 44.75 by a single tick. Come on, do we have a chance seeing a drop right now? No, we don't have. That's the break even right there. Quantum first purchase, 60% off. And then anything next is going to be 50. In terms of the pricing, I'm fully out here for the moment. I'll take that money. 287 total profit. So in terms of the pricing, 50,000 flex for FundedSeat. Could be about 70 something. So you want to do, you're paying basically 40% of 170. 17 times 4, 68 bucks first purchased. Then 85. We're trading also the daily accounts. 35% consistency on my 150k accounts. For my daily accounts. These daily accounts are allowing me daily payouts basically for the FundedSeat. And no consistency on the funded stage, think about it. But there's a 35% consistency on the evaluation stage. So 9,000, 6% is the target, 6%. 35% on 9,000 is going to be around what? Can you guys do the math quickly? I just want to make sure we didn't pass here. We got 2,400 profit. I don't think we've crossed that limit. I think we're fine. 3,150, right? Yeah, so we'll still have room for that, but I'm not going to trade this one anymore today. 2,400 is great for the first day. We've been copy trading this on 3 accounts, so that's basically good money. I like to focus on my trade of a tap on futures as well. Make some more here, probably about 2,000. And then we got to do some money on this one. On the 5th Lucid. Daily loss limit. If you go flex, no daily loss limit for the FundedSeat. No daily loss limit on flex. If you go for the FundedSeat daily accounts, you don't have a daily loss on the evaluation, but you have a daily loss limit on the funded. On the funded stage, you have a daily loss limit, which is a soft breach. But keep in mind, you can request payouts basically from your first day. Which is very interesting, right? Boom. Thank you so much for joining, guys. We have 2 minutes to go for the market opening. This is an interesting candle. Hello. Good day. This is a very interesting candle. Look at that one. I bet there is people trapped around this level. Let me test out reshorting this on 2 minis. Yeah, I've reshorted on both sides. Shorted here. 2 minis and 2 minis on the other side too. I'm aware we got the opening in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minis for 2 minutes opening. I think that's fair. Look at a candle. You gotta see this. Look at a 5-minute candle. I know it doesn't matter when you're so close to the opening, and you need to know that. Yeah. It's not a bad level. The question is if we get that level before seeing the price action down to 30. Less than a minute to go. I wanted to go break even stop loss before the New York session starts, before it rings the bell. Let's see if I get the opportunity, guys. Otherwise, I'm going to exit. Especially this is a funded account. And it's so early on the stage, and I'll exit out of this. A few more seconds to go, guys. Yeah. I sold one of the contracts, opening bell. Best of luck, guys. Running a little. I've DC'd in my short here. We got 2 minutes short. What a green pump. What a green candle. Didn't touch the daily opening. Keep that in mind, guys. Daily opening is right there. 120s. Today's high 136. Where are the bears? Nowhere to be found. 120s. I'm going to touch that 120s. You know that. Lovely. Bring it down. Come on. Bring it down all the way to 30,000. Oh. Oh, yeah. All the way to 30,000, guys. Come on. Give me some profits. Look at this one, guys. Do you still believe we deserve here to push? Or that movement was enough to grab the liquidity from the fake pump we had earlier, and now we might turn around. I mean, that 998 weekly VWAP sitting around there. Oh, I'd like to take that. I like this candle. Oh, yeah. Come on. Go deep. You know, I'm not exiting early. I'm holding you. I'm holding you for bigger profits. Come on. Ha 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 ha. There you go. There you go. I'm holding you for bigger profits. Come on, all the way down to 30s. I'll take that 2,000 on the first day. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, look at that candle, guys. All the way down to 30,000. Keep it running. 2,000 bucks profit already. I'm not selling anything yet. I'm not selling anything yet. Raise the energy, guys. Raise the energy. Come on. Sold the contract. Sold the contract. And I'm going to trail. I'm going to trail. Right there at the top of the current candle. I don't have a take profit right now. No take profit. Just a trailing. Oh yeah, 2,000 bucks in the first. There you go, $2,000 in the first day on the FundedSeat for the 5th account. That is absolutely juice, guys. Thank you. It's not easy. Boom. That was not easy. Thank you. Zinner, what happened with Zinner? He's gone. Cherundolo is winning. Yes, this is the new Lucid. Yes, the funded one. Oh, look at that one. Lovely, guys. The new Lucid we converted. Where's this money coming from? In which account, guys? We had a pending trade here. Look at that. Stop loss break even. We had a pending trade, guys. We have $2,000 in this pending trade. You know, we touched the break even. But that's crazy. We had a pending position sitting there. Oh my god. Market's bouncing on that weekly we've been talking about. The place I told you. Market's bouncing there, but I think we're gonna have a difficult time today trading above 120's daily opening. I think today is the day to trade below the daily opening, which is how is going to be for most of the time. Yeah, but when you get out of Quant Tower, when you're about to close Quant Tower... Of course it's still there. We've done the magic. So when you close the Quant Tower, you get a notification message, right? Double checking if you want to close your Quant Tower while still having open orders. So you can't close your Quant Tower without knowing you have open orders. They send you a notification, a pop-up message that appears on your screen when you're about to close your software. What do you guys think about this? $12,000, $13,000 profit. Come on, guys, let's go some trailing. Are we going for 30 grand here for the YRM? Yeah, I'm putting my trailing there on 11,000. This is a big belly account. One of the biggest day here is about 30 grand. My biggest day here. Or 15 or 20, we gotta look into. But I do know we have 181 for a reason. We got 181 for a reason. There you go, $11,000 and 515. Celebration time. Boom. You didn't see that coming in, right? You didn't see that coming, $11,000. You didn't see that flying in. Yes, yes, yes. Kevin. Sure. I like it. I like it. I'm down for a dump below yesterday's low. You want to guys see that? Can we go below yesterday's low today? Below 877? What are you guys are up to? Make sure to like the video, everyone. If you want to do the giveaways, you gotta like the video. We have a target for the giveaways. Good morning. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Indeed. Oh, yeah. Quantower price action is struggling. We're touching daily VWAP right now. Around the 70s. You guys like this price action? Ha ha ha. Ah, ah, ah. $501. But you know the best part is the funded account first day we made $2,000. This one. Pretty scary falling knife. But you know, as soon as you short it, it's pumping 50 points, right? As soon as you short this price action, it's pumping 50 points. Which shouldn't be a bad thing as long as that's why it's scary, right? As soon as you short it, it's pumping 50 points. As soon as you long it, it's just gonna bleed like this for the next 30 minutes, wondering where is that coming from. That's the way it is. Lost some evaluations today on FundedSeat. Made 2,000. We only made 2,500 on 3 accounts. You guys believe in this little green candle? Look at that. Nah. I'm just still questioning if I should just hold on to this 2,000 profit or continue my trading here. No, let's just connect to our Savius and continue trading on the Savius side. There's a long way to go for the shorts here. Yesterday's low is one of the targets. If the daily VWAP is not holding here, I'm switching connections on Quantower, going with a Savius. We have 3 accounts there of instant funding, 150,000 that are juicy, sitting in a comfortable position with them. Yeah. Big discounts around the corner. So I'm telling you once again, would not be surprised to hit that yesterday's low. 877. Would not be surprised at all. And not only hit that 877, if we get a bounce there, could be very likely to be on the fake side and just continue our move downwards. Look at that. Let's just get the Savius connection rolling. We got 4,000 bucks there. We've been copy trading. Let me make sure the copy trader is turned on. And just wait a little here. I don't want to short any potential bouncing that might be onto a couple of points, maybe all the way up to 30,000 if so, but not really. Look at that. Yeah, I'm testing 2 minutes short, guys. Yep. And I'm out here, 182 profit. Yeah, let me take that money. I'm not feeling good about, even though it looks like it's going to press downwards, you don't feel good in shorts. You feel like it's an emotional chasing, guys. That's the way I'm feeling. Even though I try to see the rational side of the analysis and the technical side of the trade, you almost longed it, right? Well, I don't know if it's a good idea searching for longs here. We had some of the things not reacting at all. Weekly VWAP, 200 EMA, purple line. It's just, you know, daily VWAPs. Where are they? Testing a short here, guys, on 2 minis again. Let's see. Can we continue our bleeding? Ha 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 ha. Yes. Keep it going. I'll set you stop loss break even. Just keep it going. Keep it going. Slightly below. I'm out here. Lovely $700 profit. I'm so happy about that one, guys. So happy about 700 bucks profit. You know, this is 3 accounts copy trading here. Boom. And we still need 3 grand to take the payout. Yes, exactly. It is a death trap. Look at that. It kind of shows you. Buyers are there on the 1 minute, creating wicks, constantly creating wicks, but there is a non-stop pressure. By the time the candle closes and by the time the candle opens, it's there. Yes, Quantum. I don't know how long that's gonna work. I don't know how long and for how long they're gonna survive on that. I think it was quite scripted. Dealing with a price section, we're dealing with a Nasdaq about 30,000. Delivered on the back of a fake headlines. Unbelievable, guys, the way Nasdaq moved in the past 2 months. Unbelievable. We're due for a couple of thousands of points correction. If we do not do 2,000 points correction, then we're gonna range in sideways for months. It's very hard to short this price section here. It's very hard. At the same time, you can't long it. Yet it's still going lower, and it's still going lower. We talked about yesterday's low. Look at that. So this candlestick that we're having right now in the current price section, basically after the New York session opening, is giving us the proof of the fakeness we had with the pump as soon as we started streaming, guys. Remember the pump we had once we started streaming, how we got burned on some of the accounts. That 4,500 on a funded on my fifth flex, how we got burned on that. Oh, look at that move. Late shorters, over leveraged fellas. But now, it's just everything is above the price section. It's not going to have an easy time dumping. Is not going to have an easy time dumping. Pumping, I mean, sorry. I'm going for a short here, guys, on 97. On this account. Got green, get out, and go quickly break even. Get green, get out, and quickly go break even. I'm shorting a single contract from here. Well, look at the damn aggressive bulls. That didn't got filled, guys. That's a single tick away and didn't got filled. 2 minis at the top. Crazy, right? We're touching the weekly VWAP here. Pretty dangerous here. Pretty dangerous. For both sides, I would say. Lovely, lovely guys, come on. Oh yeah. Hit that little target. Oh yeah. Hit that little target. No way you pump here. No way you do that dirty thing you pump here. I just can't go break even, guys. Yeah, I'm going right now, break even. It's over, I'm break even. Lovely target has been touched. $1,461 profit on 3 accounts. Oh my gosh, lovely. We're gonna celebrate soon. We have some nice profits here. I'm out from the, we're 13 grand up, but this is the big deal, guys. This ones, which are close to the payout, $2,000 away from the payout. 3 accounts. Look at that. $2,000 away from the payout. That was not easy, but I told you I am shorting this level. I told you. This one. Weekly VWAP, 97. We had our limit order. Hope you got into and made some money. We have 155, 400. And we need 2,000 more here. I'm not going to rush in the next days, but this Savius 3 accounts are going to be juicy. 7,500 bucks will be the payout. Plus 15 from Lucid. We're going to have more than 20 grand, and I still have 3,000 coming in from YRM. That's going to be about 25, something around that, $25,000. It's not bad, guys. It's not bad. So let me get out of the Savius connection. Thank you. Testing out a 7-minute short here. Could it be ugly? But I think we're going down for 877 yesterday's low. Watch those rejections coming in on the daily VWAP, 200 EMA purple line. 5-minute price action is showing refusal there. Yes. Very important, Jonathan. Wow, look at the pump here. That's just so bad and silly. I'm out of this trade. That was so bad and silly, this movement we just got right now. Untradable. Yes. So, if you've been having a sequence of losing accounts, as soon as you have a great position, the very first day you have a great position with one of your account, just simply sleep on it and digest it. It's very important, guys. Sleep on it, digest it, and taste it. Your psychology needs that day so bad. Your confidence needs that day. And it's going to be valuable for the upcoming days. Valuable. Way more valuable than making an extra 500 bucks. Way more valuable. Remember, guys, the way you build momentum in trading is not by going for the big targets from the very first moment. Certainly that is not going to build up momentum. We've touched this level once again. Let me test out a little short here. On this big boy accounts, I mean, we have a lot of buffer here, 40 grand. Yeah, rebuilding confidence is way more important, guys, remember, than making an extra 2,000 or making an extra 1,000. We got in a lovely short pretty much everywhere. On the big belly accounts too. And we're running this deep. Exactly, consistency. Very important. You know, that day of 300, 800, 700, another day of 2,000, and then you just make the minimum. Wow. Can they bring this up about 30,000? Look at that one, guys. Do we receive acceptance above 30? There's so much pressure. There is so much pressure coming around. Yeah, we might get here. Look at that. Look at that. And then reversed, right? As I said, we might get here and then might reverse. Wondering how this 5-minute candle will close, I'm wondering. If we go the golden pocket effect, there is still room for the golden pocket. Shows up to be around a 45, 40s, 45. Although the weekly VWAP here has been very consistent. We've reshorted, guys. And this is the oh yeah. I like this short a lot. Look at that, guys. This is, you know the account? This is the account. I sold 2 contracts. This is the account we got today funded and we converted in funded and we have 2,000 profit. And now we got into 4 minutes. You got the scaling, the Lucid Flex, the 5th one. The 5th Lucid Flex first day, almost 4,000 profit. And I'm still holding. I'm still holding, guys, here. Lucid Flex, $4,000 first day. Not exiting here, guys. I got into my short. From the liquidity existing around the 20s. I said I'm not going to trade this account anymore today, and we were at 2,000. But then I got into 4 minutes short. Secured half of it. Leaving this one open for the moment. Probably I'm going to trail. Yeah. Let's trail. Let's trail. Dump it. Dump it right now. Yep. No, I'm actually not going to trail there. I'm going to trail here with a single contract. Lovely. Lovely, guys. Look at that. 4,400 bucks. Look at that one, guys. This is the first freaking day. This is the first freaking day. No, this is the fifth. Funded. I've been working on my other fifth funded that we lost today. And then we made 20 bucks on the last evaluation I had, which was extremely close to make it funded. 20 bucks, we made it, we converted that. And then this is the first day, this is that account. I'm trading one of the contracts here. Yeah, we sold it. And I'm trailing the other right there. Now I'm trailing at the top of the current candle, guys. There you go, $4,000 profit. Celebration time, guys. $4,000 profit. That's just insane. This is the first day on the funded stage for this. 4,000 profit. Boom. No, I don't think so. Oh my gosh, 4,000 profit, very important. The other accounts are the big boy, big belly accounts. We have a lot of buffer there, 500,000. I'm watching this, guys. I'm watching this. We are refusing for the moment to have acceptance above the weekly VWAP. 12AC left the court. He was watching Zinner playing. So instead of watching the live stream and making money with the best community existent, he watched Zinner losing the game. Wow. Thank you. Great start for the funding stage, right? So he was watching Zinner. Look at this one, guys. First freaking day. Ha ha ha. I bet you could. What happened? What's the result? Let me see that. He's about to lose, right? Or is it over? Nah. Finally, they are pushing, guys. But I don't think we're not coming back. So I'm sitting relaxed here. As you see me. I want to touch that yesterday's low. Zinner is gone. From 2-0. Lost it. It was 26 at the starting of the game. You should have put $10,000 on 26. You would have got $260,000. I don't know why you didn't done. But we are getting slaughtered here on the silly. If I short here from my funded. No, we made 4,000. Maybe on live it was 200. You should have put 10,000. All right. Are we going all the way to daily VWAP? Sitting on the 45. Let me see how are we sitting, guys, for the giveaways. Let me see, how are we sitting for the giveaways? Alright, so we have basically 7 minutes. Attention, please. 7 minutes to hit minimum 185 likes. 7 minutes to hit minimum 185 likes. Yeah, I could easily be green by DCing if they would allow me unlimited sizing, but they're not allowing me unlimited sizing. You know, I could easily be DCing all the way to 50, 60 minis, right? And then if the market moves 800 points, you lose $2 million. Certainly DCAing is having disadvantages and negative signs. Look at that. We're touching VWAP here. The maximum possible, I'm going to cash out. You know, if I would have opened a short on the very moment this candle opened on the 5 minute, from 46 down to 30, it's, you know, this strategy works so well. Opening trades at the starting points of 5-minute candles in the direction you're looking for that candle to go. Look at that lovely juice, guys, from the golden pocket. We hadn't had a yellow box in a while. We didn't had a yellow box in a while. I'm going to re-short this on my 5th funded with a single contract. We got 4,000 made. But I'd like to have another 300 or 500. Why not? Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to re-short this move. Maybe the opening of the next 1-minute candle. Exactly. No, I like the limits. We made all this money by having the limits. I'm DCing here. 2 minis. So we made all this money by 10 minis maximum. I don't need more, basically. If you can do with 10 minis, hundreds of grand with 4,500 drawdown, you're fine. Based on the possible fake bouncing on the 1 minute, possible fake bouncing on the 1 minute. Even though it came out to be a pretty strong bouncing from what I see. So I would put a yellow box. Oh! It's running, guys. It's running. Look at that. Something happened. Something happened. 30,000. Look at that. Something happened. Look at that pump. Something happened. Wow. Look at that, guys. Something happened there. Oh my gosh. Something happened there. That's just wild. Oh my gosh. Something happened. We probably got the deal signed. We probably got the deal signed. And I'll have to be out of this. That's unbelievable. Oh my god, look at that one, guys. Yeah, exactly, Quantum. We probably got something related to Iran. I just can't take my eyes away from this. Now bring it back to the starting point and stop playing games with us. Bring it back to the starting point and stop doing this kind of silly games, Nasdaq. Are you back to 30th? Yeah. Probably Trump is going to prove it, right? And then markets will dump. Yeah. Needs Trump approval. What do you guys expect on Trump's approval? We're already sitting above. I think this whole thing is already priced in. What do you guys think about? Why did we pump 8,000 points? It's a good spot for short. And make some money. Wow. I think the whole thing is already priced in, guys. Is already priced in. We're not going to have another 3,000 points pump. I just don't like this Nasdaq thing here. Crazy. This one. On this account, we're down. You don't even see the entry. That's how far away it is. We had a 5,700 profit. We have $326,000 profit on the account. But if I close it here, this would be back-to-back significant negative day, right? Think about. Look at that. This might just continue, guys. And I'm not really liking it. We have a possibility for a new deal. So the market pumping prior Trump's approval. How do you guys smell this? Yeah, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this soon. So the reason why we have this P&L here is because of the lovely headlines between US and Iran. So think about it, guys. We get this move, and it's not approved by Trump. Why do we have this move representing 160 points? 160 points, you don't have an approval. Zitter was the problem for the whole thing. I'm DCing here a little bit. Yeah, for this account, a little. Let's see if we can get this candle red, or we could reject here. That cat fake deal. It has been about the fake deals for the past month. And it still pumped thousands of points. Remember, guys, we have 2 months of 7,000 points movement. Maybe more than that. I've reshorted here, guys. We're going for a juicy, lovely profit. Watch that out. Watch that out. So this thing is doing 150 points without having Trump's approval. What is that to you? We're seeing a profitable P&L here. I'm not selling here anything yet. I'm not selling, guys. I'm not selling anything here out of this. I'm just looking for not seeing a bounce. I don't want to see a bounce here, no. Probably I'm going to get out of in break even for this specific account, which is funded, and it's the last one we need to take to the payout level, to the max payout level. What a day. I'm shorting. Look at that. Bring it down. Bring it down. Come on. Let's just have a lovely bleeding for the next 30 minutes. Lovely bleeding for the next 30 minutes. Come on, guys. I like it. I like it, guys. Look at that. I like it. I'm selling 2 minis there. I sold 2 minis there. So I sold half of it. And I'm fully gonna get out very, very soon out of this. We have a 3,400 bucks profit. They wanted to take this away from me. They wanted to take that 4,000 we made away from me, guys. Can you believe that? The other big losses we have, it doesn't matter, guys. We're taking the max payouts even with those. It doesn't matter. What matters is to have the 5th account ready for the payout. It doesn't matter we lose 30 grand there. We're still taking max payouts. Come on. What a fake pump. And Scrambo is holding. We have a lovely short from there. And we gotta hold this one. Oh, 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 oh. I'm not touching it. I like that 4,000 profit we have. I sold half of it here. I mean... Trump asked for a few days. Oh my god. What a pump and dump. And you tell me this is no scam, right? What a show. Wow. You know, let's just go stop loss break even here. We have 2,800 realized. And we have the last mini. We gotta do the whale soon. I'm wondering about a place I should put my yellow box. And let me tell you something. I'm gonna put a yellow box here. Watch out, everyone. Yellow box is gonna be here. There you go. Yellow box is finally on the chart. Good luck for your trading. The yellow box is sitting between 30,023 down to 29,984. 30,023 is the top of the box, down to 29,984. We're gonna see if that's gonna be. Look at a daily opening. Daily opening. That's why I'm always looking forward to having payouts. Whenever I have maximum accounts. 5. Whenever 5 are ready for the payouts. Not taking payouts earlier on Lucid. Yeah. Ho ho ho. I'm leaving this one open with break even there on my last contract. They might just pump this thing all the way back to the top. That's how scam we got. So I'm targeting the yellow box. That's my target basically, a magnet. Price action is getting attracted by my yellow boxes. We have 100% hit rate on our yellow boxes. You got cooked. Oh, 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 oh. He says, it's all because of you. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. 24 hours timeout. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah, ah. Lovely, lovely rejection here. Alright guys, so did we hit the target for the likes? Let me see that. We can start the giveaways. Yes. Lovely. We're probably going to touch our trailing here, break even. Yeah. We've touched it. 2,800 profit. Beautiful candle, look at that. Beautiful 5-minute candle. An absolute scam. An absolute scam. We never had the yellow box not to be touched. Which means it's gonna happen. That's the only thing what it means. And nothing else. Alright guys, so time to do the giveaways. Market is just acting totally untradeable and nonsense. And we'll see how we're going to end up on the big belly accounts today. We're down 35. We'll see what's going to be behind that. How real or fake are the current news, we'll see. We've got some lovely money on the FundedSeat. Lovely. So it's time for the wheel. And it's time for the ducks. Let me know, guys, if you're ready, what you got to do to participate. So listen up. Listen up what you can do for participating. First things first, you want to complete a form. That's first things first. Complete a form, guys. Then the next thing is like the video. For those of you that didn't like the video, be subscribed to the YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, and join our Discord. These are the 4 things you gotta do. Not listening. I'm having a good time. Not worry. Beautiful, guys. So, continuing, guys. Continuing our way. It's going to be at $25,000. A late daily from Tap 1 Futures. $25,000 elite daily from Tap 1 Futures. That's going to be You'll have to guess the number, a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not go about multiple numbers. And do not spam the chat. Watch out for the numbers. Between 0 and 9, you can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Remember, best choice between 0 and 9. This is the first giveaway. We've got more. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more. Shuffle, and we're good to go. Best of luck, guys. Made some money on a little short. I'm going to show you soon. That's going to be probably the number 9. That's probably going to be the number 9. Yeah, I got in a short. 4 minis on my 5th funded twister. Number 9. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Look at that. We have 4,500. Yeah, we still have 2 minis with a break-even stop loss. Yeah. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just go for the ducks. $18 winners. 30 seconds competition time. Shuffle, we're good to go. Best ranked is taking it all. The best one is taking it all. Best of luck, everyone. Yeah, we got FundedSeat, yes. Let's go. Mo. Mo is the winner. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. What a juicy time. Mo is winning. A pretty good account. Daily payouts. And no consistency. Oh, yeah. Mo. Did you fill out the form? Yes. You did fill up the form. Congrats for that. So we got stopped out on trailing. 3,500 profit. Not bad. Congratulations. Continuing, guys, with the next one. And we're going to have double accounts right now in this giveaway. We're going to have double accounts. We're going to have a 25,000 a 25,000 daily from FundedSeat. 25,000 daily and a 50,000 YRM. So we're going to share 2 accounts. The first one will be 25,000 daily from FundedSeat, and the second will be 50,000 YRM. First ranked will get the FundedSeat, second ranked will get the YRM. We have 0, 1, and 222. You can start right now. 0, 1, and 222. That's what we got on the wheel. 0, 1, 222. Best of luck, guys. 0, 1, and 222. We've reshorted this, by the way. 4 minis again on this fresh funded account. Looks like I want to go for the complete 6,000 today. Let's see if we can do it. We'll see. What are we up to? I still believe this is going to go below 100s. But we'll see. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. It's over. Shuffle, and here we are. Half of the wheel. Actually, more than that. Is consisting number 2, guys. Look at it. Back to back. So if we hit that part, which looks like we don't, it's not going to be number 2 because this is rigged. It's going to be number 1. I can see that on the paddle, guys. The paddle has a display, I told you, and I can see what's going to get hit. It's number 1. Congratulations for winners. I told you. Oh my gosh, how rigged is this? Just like the markets. I mean, do not expect the wheel to be different today. Let the wheel be just like the markets. If we got 30 grand down because of that announcement and headline, so rigged. Number 1 for the winners. $45. Well, look at that, guys. $45. I mean, you didn't expect it. 1 minute competition time for you. 1 minute. Market is pumping. I told you, first ranked and second ranked is winning. First ranked is getting the FundedSeat 25,000 daily account. Daily payouts, no consistency with that. Yes, you did win. And the second one is receiving the 50,000 YRM. First ranked and second ranked. Who's gonna speed up? Stefan. Stefan, look at that. Steven. Congratulations, buddy. Look at that. Oh ho. And Jay Banis. Congratulations, Stefan. Steven. There you go, Steven. Did you got this one? Yes. 25,000 funded. FundedSeat account daily goes out to your pockets. Goes out to your pockets. And the next one, Jay Banis. Jay Banis, that you got this one? Are you confirmed? Yes. 50,000 YRM goes out to your pocket. Congratulations. Congratulations. I mean, especially winning number 1, you guys deserve that, right? Think about. That was not an easy job winning with a number 1 here, I can tell you. And you should confirm it. Time for the last giveaway, which will be the Lucid. Lucid Pro, 50,000. Who likes Lucid? Lucid Pro, 50,000. Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro, 50,000. Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro. 50,000. Yes. Mo, you have to watch. So we have Watch out for the numbers. 00, 22, 777, and a single number 8. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice, guys. You can start right now. Tell me your best choice. Market is pumping again. How silly is this? This is a tired and sick of this price action, guys, I can tell you. 00, 22, 777, and a single number 8. I'm fixing the pedal right now. You know who's going to be behind the pedal? I'm going to show you. This one right here, the penguin. The penguin is going to be behind the pedal today. I'm showing it as a proof. Proof of stake. Look at that. The penguin is going to be... This is a royal penguin. And it's going to be behind today's 50,000 Lucid Bro giveaway. Making sure you guys get surprised and call it rigged. That's the only thing our penguin cares about. Stop right there, no more guesses, it's over. Stop right there, shuffle, and we're good to go. It's gone. A balloon globe is gone. We gotta do one more. Oh, look at that 0, guys. Look at that 0. What do you think about it? Yeah, it's the blue 0. Just like the ice, blue. Just like the ocean, blue. There you go. Just like the sky. Congratulations for the winners. Oh, it's pretty close for the 777. What's happening here, guys? Are we making a new high? What a silly price action, I can tell you. We have 53 fellas. That will compete for 30 seconds. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. So do you guys believe in fake headlines that required Trump's approval? You know what's happening next. Trade is going down. But you guys will find it out. Mo! What on earth? He's winning the second giveaway today. Oh, look at that. Mo, are you sure? You're winning the second giveaway today, Mo. 50,000 YRM. Congratulations. What's this? Exactly, what's this? Just like the dump we're about to get. Just like the price action dumping we're about to see, guys. This is totally... Give it away. Can you trade YRM? Because he can participate twice if he won. Mo, tell me. Do you want to give this away? Are you the real Mo? Tell me, do you want to give this away? Mo, someone is using my name. No. You're not the green one, buddy. You're gonna get a timeout, buddy. Why is he having a... Why is he having 2 accounts? Why is Mo on the first? Why is Mo on the fourth? You guys know that? Is he having 2 accounts or not? We're gonna find it out. I can find it out. We're gonna rerun this. We're gonna rerun this. Best of luck, everyone. We're gonna rerun this. Best of luck, guys. We're gonna rerun this, and we're gonna find it out. I'm gonna look into the back and... Who's gonna spin? Jalin Habaro. Jalin Habaro. Congratulations, Jalin. Jalin. That you filled up the form, Jalin. Yes. Congratulations, buddy. There you go. 50,000 Lucid, bro. 50,000. Goes out to your pockets. Thank you so much, guys. Look at that. Rejection. Looks lovely to me. We still have our trays here. Boom. Oh, 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 oh. We still have our trays here. All the 3 trays, and we're still holding. And I'm having a good time. I'm looking for a lovely target down to 30,000. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much, guys. You're going to find it out what happened with the big belly accounts tomorrow. We're down right now 32,000. I don't know if we can retrace from here. I don't know yet. We're going to find it out. Thank you once again, guys. Peace. All the love out there for you. And we keep in touch on Discord. Have a lovely, beautiful